Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Today we're going to be having a look at a pair of budget EDC knives from Flissa. And as always, guys, if at the end of the video you want to purchase either of these knives from Flissa and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because we do get a commission if you purchase one of these knives. And of course, before getting started, just want to thank the good folks out at Flissa for sending me these knives to review. Let's get started. Let's begin with a quick size reference just so you get a better idea for the overall size of this knife. Here it is next to a large permanent marker. Here's a look at them vertically next to each other so you can compare the diameter of the pen next to the knife. Let's get a rough measurement here from end to end with the blade closed. Looks like we got just about 4 5/8 overall length with the blade closed. And now with the blade open, back to vertical. And let's take a rough measurement with the blade open from the tip to the end of the handle. Looks like we got just about 7 3/4 inches overall length with the blade open. Let's have a look down at the top of the knife here so you get a better idea for the overall thickness of this knife. So here's a pair of chopsticks. This is the thicker side, and it looks to be just about the same thickness as that. Let's run a ruler across this way and see what we can come up with. Looks like we got just about 7/16 of an inch thick. Let's have a look at the thickness of the blade over in the thumb ramp area, and it looks to be just about the same thickness as 2 US quarters. Let's run a ruler across that thumb ramp area and see what we got. Just about 1/8 of an inch thick. Let's get these knives on the scale so you know how much weight you're going to be carrying around. Right, the linen micarta coming in at 4.4 ounces and the wooden version coming in a little bit lighter, 4.3, 4.2 ounces. And just in case you're wondering what 4.2, 4.3, 4.4 ounces might feel like, well, if you got some AA batteries around the house, weighs almost as much as 5 of those. This knife is going to come in these two versions, the linen micarta, and they're on exactly the same frame, and of course the wooden version. These knives have two opening mechanisms. There's the dual thumb studs and the flipper lever opener. To utilize the dual thumb studs, you can open it with your left or your right hand by just digging your thumb in and rotating around, or with a little bit of practice, you just flick it open. To utilize the flipper lever, all you got to do is pull back, blade will fly open. The opening action on these budget knives is incredibly smooth and crisp. The blade is opening on a caged stainless steel ball bearing pivot. Your locking mechanism and your blade release is a liner lock. So if you look on this side of the liner, as the blade is opening, there's an arm that's going to swing over and lock over to the base of the blade. And that'll stop the blade from closing. When you're ready to close it, you just move that lever on the side and close it up. Let's have a look up front at this absolutely gorgeous drop point blade. Starting off over in the thumb ramp area, we can see a little bit of curve here for your thumb to sit on. Here's a closer look at your jimping. And turn it sideways so you can see how high those peaks are, really noticeable. Very nice. Drop point blades stay thick all the way down to the point. Beautiful satin finish. I can't believe this is a budget knife. Look at that finish. We got some really nice blade work done here. We've got 2 swedges cut on both sides of the blade. Clean and crisp lines here. Pretty much a flat grind we're dealing with right up to the shoulder, so there's no curvature here on the flats. So it's going to be very easy to sharpen and maintain these blades. Now, most flipper lever knives, when you pull back on the lever, it's going to end up down here on the bottom, and it kind of doubles as a finger guard. Got a nice sharpening choil here that's going to help you sharpen the entire edge from the tip all the way down to the heel. Guys, both of these blades are made of a high carbon Swiss stainless steel 14C28N. It's amazing. This steel has 14% chromium, so your corrosion resistance is going to be pretty good. You're going to have great edge retention, good toughness, and these are really easy to sharpen and maintain. As we're going to see, this factory edge coming out of the box is really sharp. Want to bring you guys in close to have a look at these wood handles they got on here. It's got nice grain on it. It's going to turn a nice color. The combination of the oils from your hand. Here's a closer look at the black linen micarta. And this is a premium material, guys. Performs well in a lot of weather conditions. Gonna drop you guys down inside of the handle so you can check out these liners. And this is where they save a little bit of money because the liners are not skeletonized. So that's why it's a little bit on the heavy side. Now, as far as your grip dynamics go, how does this feel in your hand? Incredibly well balanced. Nothing too crazy, right? Just a subtle arch on the top. Just a single finger choil in the front. So 1 up front, 4 in the back. Feels really great in the hand. Here's a look at the rear of the knife. We've got 2 polished standoffs in the back instead of a backspacer. And there is a lanyard hole cut through the scales and through the lining. There's a quick look at your pocket clip. I love the way that they have it angled to follow the angle of the grip. There's a profile view there. And it is not reversible to the other side, and this will be tip-up carry only. Here's what this knife will look like when you dunk it down in your pocket. Just a little bit popping up over the top. Makes it really easy to just pluck it out of your pocket. Alright guys, let's do some cutting. Oh man, that is so sharp. It's incredible at this price point. Just smooth slicing. Let's try it out on some 550 paracord. No problem. Let's close it up by cutting some cardboard. I got 3 pieces here. Let's see how we do. Like butter. Once again, guys, these knives are made by Flissa. Just an incredible bargain. Ridiculously sharp blades coming out of the box. If you're looking for a great budget EDC knife, these could be a great option for you. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase these awesome knives from Flissa, make sure to check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.